Okay, GMB. Little leg workout today. It's drop sets, so it's really easy to format. You don't even need to type anything into the Tabata app. Don't need any equipment, just need a little bit of space. I'll show you some modifications for the moves and for the exercise format. Okay, so it's a lower body workout. 3 moves only. Okay, a runner's lunge with our left foot forward, a runner's lunge with our right foot forward, and then a broad jump. Okay, you're gonna repeat those 3 moves. Take 2 reps off, so go lower or descend, and then do the same exact thing. You're gonna rest as needed, okay? Here are the levels for a little guide for you. You could use these. I'm gonna probably show an example of beginner, okay, and maybe start halfway through the workout. But I would start with 10. So I'm gonna do 10 runner lunges with my left forward, 10 runner's lunges with my right foot forward, and then 10 broad jumps. Take a little break, go get some water, get right back to it, but now you're gonna subtract 2 repetitions from each. Now you're doing 8 of each. So 8, 8, and 8. Okay, drink, rest, at least 20, 30 seconds, not too long though. Then you'll get into 6, take a break, 4, then 2. Okay, so beginner, not starting as high with the reps, okay, and you're only doing 5 sets. All right, intermediate gets a little advanced, but you're doing 16, 14, 12, 10, okay, and then you're at where beginner is. This one's probably going to take anywhere from 5 to 7 minutes, I would estimate, if you're not resting too long. This one, intermediate, probably going to take anywhere from 12 to 20 minutes. Advanced is probably going to take you 15 to 25 minutes if you're moving at a good pace and you're doing a ton of repetitions. Base it off your fitness level. These are just guides. Main thing, you're doing these moves, okay? I'm going to demonstrate them. I'm going to do an example. 2 rounds, I'm going to just say we're starting at 4, okay? So super easy, as if I already did most of the beginner one. Do it to some music, play a show in the background. I know it's a little cold outside, but get outside maybe, bundle up, work out with your family, okay, whatever suits your need, okay? Remember, find your pulse kind of right in this area. Don't use your ring finger, don't use your thumb, pointer and middle finger. You're going right in this area. Don't talk, go until you feel your pulse, that heartbeat. Get a clock or look at the wall. Okay, time yourself for 10 seconds while you count in your head how many times you feel that bump. After 10 seconds, take whatever number you got, multiply by 6. That's your heart rate. Do it before the workout. That's your resting heart rate. And then after the workout, right after, it's going to be kind of your exercise heart rate, okay? All right, I'm going to put the music on if it loads. All right. I'm going to do one example. We're going to start with 4 reps. I'll take a break, and then we're going to do 2 reps. I'll show you modifications as well. Okay, first move is the runner's lunge with our left foot forward. Okay. Basically, I'm going to take a step backwards. My right foot, I'm not touching the ground. And then this knee that's down is coming up and kicking. You can see I am doing a running motion with my arms. That's optional. I recommend it. This knee's up, this arm's up. And then this, if this knee's up, my other opposite arm up. So it's opposite arm, opposite leg action. Okay, that was 4. Take a break. I'm switching real quick into my next move. Move 2. Same exact thing, right leg forward. And I'm doing my runner's lunge with my right leg forward. Okay. That's move 2. Last move's the broad jump. I'm gonna give myself a little space. Okay. You're going to try to land as lightly as you can your feet. You're going to jump forward as far as you want based on your fitness level. I'm going to do like a quarter squat. Get my hands back, lean forward. Jumping, trying to land softly, especially if you're doing it on an upstairs. I'll turn around. Same exact thing this way. Trying to land softly. 3 and 4. That's 1 round. Okay, I'm going to just say I started halfway through the workout, so I did the round of 4 repetitions. So next round, I'm going to do the 2 repetitions, which will be your final round, because each round you're decreasing by 2 repetitions, as I showed on the board over there. I'll show you the modifications in the last round. Okay, so let's say I took my break, I drank my water. We're going for 2 rounds. Last round's the easiest and it's quick. Okay, runner lunge with my left foot forward. If it's too hard for me to do the knee up and I'm losing balance or I'm too tired, just do a reverse lunge. My left foot forward, right foot's going back. Okay, that was move 1. For move 2, my other runner's lunge, same thing. If I'm too tired or it's too hard for me, I'm just doing a backward step or lunge, okay? If that's too easy, and this one's too easy, the normal runner's lunge, you're going to then do a runner's lunge with a hop at the end. Okay, adding a little bit of cardio and explosion going up. Okay, modifications for the broad jump. Okay, if I'm upstairs and I don't want to shake my house, okay, or I don't have the room, or I just don't want to do the broad jump, where I'm jumping forward and see how I'm landing, trying to land softly and give with my legs and knees there. Okay, I'm just going to straight up do squats. Okay, squat based on your fitness level. So if you're lower fitness level beginner, you can just do a quarter squat. If you want to, do a full squat and maybe add a pause. If you also want to make it harder, you can do a squat, jump, and land softly, very similar to the broad jump. Okay, those were your 3 moves. Broad jump especially adds a lot of cardio if you're doing a lot, okay? Right after the broad jump, at your last round, which is that round of 2, find your pulse, get the 10 seconds going, count how many you have, multiply it by 6. That's your exercise heart rate, okay? 3 easy moves, okay? I gave you the chart, okay? You do 10, 8, 6, 4, 2, start at intermediate at 16, start at advanced at 20, okay? It doesn't really matter, just subtract 2 repetitions each round. 1 round is doing all the exercises. Left foot forward, right foot forward, then broad jump. Okay, use whatever modification or whatever repetition number you want to. Have a good day. Any questions, hit me up on Google Classroom or my email.